how to download all Windows 11 iOS. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you how can you download all Windows 11. To do it, so you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So first of all, what you have to do is to install it. So open up the Microsoft support website under the Create Windows 11 installation media. Click on Download Tools or Download Tools Now button. Then you want to click on the Media Creation Tool /Windows11.exe file to launch the tool as well. Then you need to click on the Accept button and click on the Next button. Afterwards, select the iOS option file. And once you've selected that, click on the Next. Select the location to save the file and confirm the name for the image and click on the Save button. As you've done it, so click on Finish button. After completing the steps, the Media Creation tool will create the iOS file for you that you could use to create both portable media or a mount in File Explorer to launch the Windows 11. And alternatively, you'll be able to find the iOS file for older version of Windows 11. So that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.